Hi everyone, and welcome to the last part of Chapter 5. In this part, we will learn to build an automated waste bin. By the end of this video, you will have your very own trash bot. Let's see how it works. The trash bot operates with a servo motor and proximity sensor. When you place your hand above the proximity sensor, the servo motor will rotate from 70 to 150 degrees to open the lid of the trash bin. The OLED will display the status of the lid, changing from status lid closed to status lid open. Once the sensor is triggered, the lid will remain open for 5 seconds before closing. Let's begin with writing the code for this activity. Line 1. Adafruit SSD is used for controlling the OLED display. Line 2. Adafruit APDS is used for controlling the APDS proximity sensor. Line 3 to 4. Adafruit motor and PWM I/O are used for control of the servo motor. Line 6. Initialize I2C communication on GPIO pins GP5 and GP4. Line 7 to 8. Create an instance of the APDS proximity sensor and enable proximity sensing. Line 10. Initialize OLED display with a resolution of 128 by 64 pixels. Line 12. Create a PWM out instance for controlling a servo on GPIO pin GP6 with a PWM frequency of 50 Hz. Line 13. Create an instance using the servo class, specifying the PWM out instance and pulse width limits. Line 14. Initialize the servo motor by rotating it to 70 degrees. Line 16 to 30. Show lid close function is called to display information when the lid is in the closed position. Show lid open function displays information when the lid is in the open position. Line 35. Read proximity data from the APDS sensor using APDS proximity and store it in the proximity variable. Line 37. A proximity value greater than 20 indicates that an object is close to the proximity sensor. Line 38 to 43. When the proximity sensor detects an object, the servo motor will rotate and remain at 150 degrees for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the servo motor returns to its original state at 70 degrees, closing the lid of the trash bin. Now, let's download the code and build the trash bot. Now that we've got the trash bot running, why don't we introduce 2 more elements into the project? The first element, let's light up the RGB LEDs in green when an obstacle is detected and remain red when there are no obstacles. After that, the RGB LEDs starts a countdown to indicate how much time is left before the lid of the bin closes. The next element, we will add a soothing buzz tone when the lid returns to its closed state. The tone will indicate to the user that the trash bot's work is done. Ready? Let's give it a try. This is the final code for the challenge. Let's give it a try. Well done completing chapter 5. In the next video, we will explore how to use the potentiometer and PDM sound sensor. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.